In this tutorial we will learn how to get the weather data based on location from the internet using Ttgo Esp32 and Visuino. For this tutorial you will need a Ttgo Esp32, a Wi-Fi connection and Visuino software. Go to visuino.eu and download and install Visuino software. Go to openweathermap.org to get a free API key that you will use for this project. Start Visuino and select Ttgo Display ESP32. Select the ESP32 board and in the Properties window expand Modules, Wi-Fi and click on the Connect to Access Points 3 dots. Drag access point to the left. In the Properties window set Wi-Fi access name and password, this could be for the router or hotspot. Close the Access Points window. Select the ESP32 board and in the Properties window expand Modules, Wi-Fi and click on the Sockets 3 dots. In the Sockets window, drag TCP/IP client to the left side and in the Properties window set host to api.openweathermap.org/. Close the Sockets window. Select the ESP32 board and in the Properties window expand Modules, Display and set orientation to go right. Click on the Elements 3 dots. In the Elements window drag Draw Bitmap to the left. Click on the Bitmap 3 dots. In the bitmap editor click on the Load button and load image. Close the bitmap editor. In the Elements window, drag, draw text, to the left side and in the Properties window set size to 3x to 80 and in the text put your location, in our case it's Berlin. In the Elements window, drag, text field, to the left side and in the Properties window set size to 3x to 80 and y to 30. In the Elements window, drag, text field, to the left side and in the Properties window set size to 2x to 90 and y to 60 and color to ACL yellow. In the Elements window, drag, draw text, to the left side and in the Properties window set size to 2y to 80 and text to wind. In the Elements window, drag, text field, to the left side and in the Properties window set size to 2x to 60 and y to 80 and color to ACL yellow green. In the Elements window, drag, draw text, to the left side and in the Properties window set size to 2y to 100 and text to humidity. In the Elements window, drag Text field to the left side, and in the Properties window set size to 2, X to 110 and Y to 100 and color to Aqua Turquoise. Close the Elements window. Add HTTP client component. Select HTTP client 1 and in the Properties window set host to api.openweathermap.org. Double-click on the HTTP client 1, and in the Requests window, drag Get to the left side, and in the Properties window add the following URL, and make sure to replace the API key at the end with your own API key. Also replace the Berlin with your city. Close the Requests window. Add Split JSON component. In your browser, navigate to this URL and make sure to replace API key at the end of the URL with your own API key, and copy the JSON code. You can also find the link at the bottom of this video. In Visuino, right-click on the Split JSON 1 and in the menu click on the Parse JSON object. In JSON object window, paste the sample code and close the window. Add clock generator component. Select clock generator 1, and in the Properties window set frequency to 0.0016. This is around 10 minutes, so every 10 minutes we will get fresh weather data. You can change the frequency if you want. Add Start component. This component will request the data right at the start, when we power the board. Add Char to Text component. Add Delay component. Select Delay 1 and in the Properties window set interval to 2 million. Select Char to Text 1 and in the Properties window set max length to 2000. Connect Start 1 pin out to HTTP client 1 pin clock and Delay 1 pin start. Connect clock generator 1 pin out to HTTP client 1 pin clock. Connect clock generator 1 pin out to Delay 1 pin start. Connect HTTP client 1 pin out to Wi-Fi pin in. Connect HTTP client 1 pin content to Char to Text 1 pin in. Connect Delay 1 pin out to Wi-Fi pin disconnect. Connect Delay 1 pin out to Char to Text 1 pin clock. Connect Char to Text 1 pin out to Split JSON 1 pin in. Connect Split JSON 1 temp to Ttgo board text field 1 pin in. Connect split JSON 1, humidity to Ttgo board text field 4 pin in. Connect split JSON 1, description to Ttgo board text field 2 pin in. Connect split JSON 1, speed to Ttgo board text field 3 pin in. On the bottom select the Build tab. Make sure you selected the right port. Click on the Compile Build and Upload button.